Question 1. Which of the following statements about using headlights is false? Low beams are used in city driving and driving in traffic on roadways. High beams are used when traveling behind other vehicles. Low beams are used when traveling in fog, rain, or snow. Question 2. Which of these signs indicates a hospital ahead? C, D, A, B. Question 3. All regulatory devices on the road tell you about hazardous conditions or the possibility of hazardous conditions. To stop, proceed in a certain direction, or limit your speed. How to find your way safely or provide information to make your trip more comfortable. Question 4. Blind pedestrians may carry white, red, black canes or use guide dogs. Question 5. The wide white line painted across a traffic lane before an intersection is known as a crosswalk line, limit line, merge line. Question 6. On one-way roads, yellow lines are used as left edge lines, right edge lines, center lines. Question 7. When you turn off a high-speed, two-lane roadway, try to increase the speed of your vehicle. Try to slow down your vehicle quickly. Try not to slow down your vehicle too quickly. If you have traffic following you. Question 8. A yield sign indicates that a driver must slow down and be prepared to make a turn, stop, increase speed, if a vehicle or pedestrian with the right-of-way is approaching from another direction. Question 9. A two-headed arrow with one head pointing straight ahead and the other pointing to the left means that you may either proceed straight ahead or merge left. You may either proceed straight ahead or turn left. You may only turn left. Question 10. When turning right into a two-way street, start in the right-hand lane and enter into any available lane. The lane nearest to the right edge of the road. The far left lane. Question 11. If you see two solid yellow lines on a roadway, it means that passing is permitted during the day. Passing is permitted at any time. No passing is permitted. Question 12. Flag persons are often located on highways and in work zones. To stop, slow, or guide the traffic in work zones. To report accidents to the police department and insurance companies. To slow vehicles to a lower speed limit posted ahead. Question 13. An interchange. An acceleration lane. An exit ramp is the connection of a freeway to a road or another freeway by a series of ramps. Question 14. Unless otherwise posted, the maximum speed limit is 35 miles per hour, 55 miles per hour, 65 miles per hour on a California two-lane undivided highway. Question 15. Flashing yellow lights on a school bus require other drivers to pass quickly, slow their vehicles and pass with caution, slow their vehicles and prepare to stop. Question 16. Weaving, tailgating, hydroplaning occurs on wet roads when your front tires start to ride on water instead of on the road. Question 17. What does this flashing arrow panel mean? The roadway ahead curves to the left. The roadway ahead is open to traffic. Part of the roadway ahead is closed. Question 18. You are driving slowly on a two-lane road. If there are at least 3, 5, 4 vehicles behind you that are unable to pass you, you must pull over and allow them to pass. Question 19. What does this road sign indicate? A steep downgrade ahead. A slippery road ahead. Trucks turning ahead. Question 20. What is the correct hand signal for indicating a right turn? Hand and arm extended downward. Hand and arm extended outward. Hand and arm extended upward. Question 21. This sign warns that the road is slippery when wet, drivers must go slow. There is a gravel road with sharp curves ahead, drivers must proceed carefully. A winding road is ahead, drivers should follow the directions. Question 22. If you are parallel parked on the right-hand side of the street, you should signal a left turn and look over your left shoulder. Signal a right turn and look over your right shoulder. Signal a left turn and look over your right shoulder before pulling out into traffic. Question 23. Car drivers should never drive alongside a motorcycle in the same lane because motorcyclists may misguide the car driver. Motorcycles do not have signal lights. Motorcycles need the full width of the lane. Question 24. You may not cross a double solid yellow line on your left to make a U-turn. Turn left into a driveway. Pass another vehicle. Question 25. A triangular orange sign on the rear of a vehicle indicates that the vehicle cannot travel faster than 25 miles per hour. The vehicle can travel faster than 25 miles per hour. The vehicle cannot travel faster than 45 miles per hour. Question 26. With any turning vehicle, the rear wheels follow a slower path, longer path, shorter path than the front wheels. Question 27. When approaching an intersection to make a right turn, you must stay as close to the right as possible, as close to the left as possible, on the shoulder, and make the turn close to the right curb. Question 28. On a two-way roadway with a center lane, drivers from either direction can make right turns, park, make left turns and U-turns from the center lane. Question 29. Vehicles approaching a roundabout must enter the roundabout to the left of the central island, yield to the traffic in the roundabout, come to a complete stop and wait for traffic in the roundabout to clear. Question 30. If temperatures are near freezing, which freezes first? Both roads and bridges at the same time. Roads. Bridges. Question 31. If a driver extends his or her left arm out horizontally, it indicates that the driver is going to stop the vehicle, make a left turn, make a right turn. Question 32. If a pedestrian is in a marked or unmarked crosswalk, you must yield to the pedestrian, increase your speed and cross the crosswalk quickly, reduce your speed and proceed with caution. Question 33. This hand signal indicates that the driver is slowing or stopping. The driver is making a right turn. The driver is making a left turn. Question 34. On two-lane roads where traffic moves in opposite directions, you may pass on the left only when a solid yellow line is in your lane, a double solid yellow line is in the center, a broken yellow line is in your lane. Question 35. At an intersection, a steady yellow arrow signal pointing left indicates to the driver that oncoming traffic is stopped and he or she may turn left. The signal is about to change to a green or red light or a red arrow. He or she must increase speed. Question 36. The primary traveling aids for a blind person include a red cane and a trained guide dog, a white cane and a wheelchair, a white cane and a trained guide dog.